Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the multiple colleges as well as the multiple departments also. So I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of vacancies. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, please mention your subject in the comment section. Based upon that one, I will come up in the next video if I got the recruitments. And to get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different colleges and the different departments recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So here the first college is Dr. R.K. Shanmugam College of Arts and Science. So wanted principal and assistant professor for Tamil, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science, Physical Director, eligibility as per the UGC norms, and apply to the Managing Trustee by post or mail before 10th September 2021. And here the contact numbers are also given here. Cell number is also there. If you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this mobile number, guys. And you can apply through the mail also. So here the mail ID is also provided. drrksmt1997@gmail.com. Aspiring and innovative candidates with experience at NET or SET or PhD will get preference. That means only post graduation is mandatory. But if you guys are having the national eligibility test or the state eligibility test or the PhD, then those guys, the preference will be given at the time of selection. Fine. So it is a one notification. And coming to the second notification is Subramania College of Arts and Science affiliated to Madurai Kamaraj University. So from this one here, the principal and assistant professor vacancies are there for the department of English, Tamil, Commerce, Computer Science, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, and Tourism and Hospitality Management. And the qualifications, while coming to the management side, the PhD, MBA, as well as the NET or SET in the relevant discipline. That means for the different departments, whatever mentioned here. So they are asking for the NET or SET or PhD and experience in college or university setup. And here the contact number is there. If you're having any queries, you may contact this number. And here the email ID as well as the website is also mentioned. So you please once visit the official website of this one and look for the careers. Okay. And next, coming to the Sri Kanchi Mahaswami Vidya Mandir. So in this one, there requires the resume from the experienced persons to handle the accounts in Tally and Excel, exposure in e-transactions, filling of the TDS, ESI, PF returns, etc. So interested candidates may send your resume to skmsvm.trustoffice@gmail.com. Fine, it is a one notification. And coming to the next one, Parvati's Arts and Science College. So Dindigal wanted assistant professors in Tamil, English, Hindi, Mathematics, Commerce, Economics, Computer Science, Physics, Chemistry, Political Science, and Hotel Management, Catering Science, and Librarian. So first class postgraduate degree, MPhil with PhD or NET or SLET or required. And the accountant for Office Tally and MS Office also required. Apply to the principal post immediately. So here the mail ID as well as the contact numbers and the mobile number is also there. So the interested candidates may send your resume to this provided mail ID. Fine. So it is a notification provided in the official website of this Parvati's Arts and Science College. Fine. And coming to the next one. So it is Center for Professional and Advanced Studies. Faculty recruitment for the post of Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor vacancies of MLT for the post of Assistant Professor in CTE, Kumili and Nedumkandam. Okay. So coming to this one here, School of Medical Education, Medical Laboratory Technology. So Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor required. Assistant Professor Microbiology, Biochemistry and Pathology. Okay. And coming to the candidates who are having MD degree holders, 50,000 rupees per month for the professor, associate 40,000 rupees per month, and for assistant professors 25,000 rupees per month. And coming to the College of Teacher Education, General Education, Malayalam Education, English Education, Mathematics Education, Physical Science and the Natural Science. Assistant professor, here the number of vacancies are also mentioned here, and the payment you are going to get 22,000 rupees per month. And eligibility in age limitation is also provided here. So for assistant professors 45 years, not more than, associate 50 and professor 55. And coming to the qualifications and experience, I will just show you the assistant professor. BSc and MSc in the subject concerned pathology, microbiology or biochemistry. 3 years of post-PG teaching experience is desirable. And the College of Teacher Education, an assistant professor, a master's degree in the discipline relevant to the area of specialization and MEd must be there. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC and TERS qualification must be there. And the last date for the submission of this one is 31st August 2021. And the registration fee is 1,000 rupees and 500 rupees based upon the category. So how to apply means, all prospective candidates are requested to submit the online application available on the official website. So it is official website only. Okay. Hard copy of a duly completed application form downloaded with copies of all certificates, registration documents, self-attested in proof of age, community reservation, if any qualification, experience, etc. shall be forwarded to the address specified. Okay. So these are all the things, guys. So you please once go through the official website of this CPAS careers. Okay. Then you will come to know all the details regarding this recruitment notification. And coming to the next college is Department of Computer Science and Application, Chaudhary Ranbir Singh University. From this one, applications in attached are invited to engage the part-time faculty in the following papers to MCA. And here, Advanced Software Engineering, Object-Oriented Model, that means here the subject names are given. The applicant should be NET or JRF qualified or else the PhD in the computer science. Okay. So, PhD is not mandatory, NET or JRF or else the PhD, fine. And coming to the selection process will be based upon this weightage of marks. So you may check down. Applications is requested to submit latest by 10th September 2021 at the provided mail ID, and the remuneration will be paid on the lecturer basis as per the university norms. So here the application is also provided. You may check down, guys. Fine. So totally these are the different universities. So Chaudhary Ranbir Singh University, Computer Science, and from CPAS, Microbiology, General Education, Malayalam, English, Mathematics, Physical Science and the Natural Science. And coming to the Parvati's Arts and Science College, Tamil, English, Hindi, Mathematics, Commerce, Economics, Computer Science, Physics, Chemistry, Political Science and Hotel Management, Catering Science and Librarian. And coming to Sri Kanchi Mahaswami Vidya Mandir, so the person who know the knowledge of Tally and Excel. And Subramania College of Arts and Science, English, Tamil, Commerce, Computer Science, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Tourism and Hospitality Management. And coming to Shanmugan College of Arts and Science, Tamil, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Physical Director. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may close this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means Commerce and General Paper on Teaching, Management, Computer Science and Application, Political Science, History, Economics, Practice and Strategy, Sociology, Labor Welfare, English, Language and Education, Geography, Law, Hindi, Psychology, Public Administration, Electronic Science, Environmental Science, Home Science and Philosophy, Tourism, Admin and Management, Mass Communication and Journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.